they happy for me. Make I send you Momo. Don't worry, I'll send you Momo. Don't worry. Don't worry. Scout fees, scout bank. In through. You ever see shut down movement guy will be broke? Never, never, never. Now, to the main issue. You see, some people who come, they do like, it's my fault. See, the militants. If I know militants ever again, I'll be solo tant. Every man for himself, God for us all. We all will be solo different artists. And everybody they learn. I share all of them the time and they kind of say, what they know. If no be Wale we come to tell you, say, hey, this is key music, this is timing. We all within inside. They no go fit talk through self. Most of the songs where they out and things or like you know be Wale Anka. We go fit do that kind of song. But Wale they teach us. Wale they show us love. Wale they give us life again in this hard Ghana way we did. Unnecessary. I say judgment day if we go, we they take Ghana flag go, so say they go, God go not say we from hell already. Nonsense. Don't come and tell me shit. Don't come and tell me unnecessary things. Say me I go talk something. Make I start from the first people, those Blade and who so and so. All those fake things where they do for SM. We did that, we watch, but you go sit down, you go see we like pikins, you go see we like small boys, but we know what they go on. And we know they like fake things around us. I'm here for the movement. What we go fit do give Wale? Nothing. The only thing Wale they need from me be loyalty. And at least, Charlie, as we are building this thing, let's come together. Let's come together and build it. You know, being he can't beg you. My daddy they build a house. Where you come, so let's build a house. As daddy started to build a house, no. Then you say, no, I dey take this cement go. No, this house, make we do one like this. It be your house. It be your sheep. It not be your anything. The guy just say, hey, listen to me. Let's do this together. We are going worldwide. As they know, listen, see where one done day today. He did at Times Square. Big. And which artist from Ghana you see that thing before? Never. All those fake things where they do, no. It be God. God make we see them. Somebody go talk, say, yeah, it be Blade take me come SN. So, why am for? I don't be sell out. Whoever say I they sell something. It be Tuesday market. If I the market myself. It be Tuesday market. Unnecessary things all these people they do. They start all this fake life. And you see, this fake life, I don't know if it is contagious. So if this one do no, then this one too go take him. If this one do no, then this one too go take him. If they like Corona, they catch everybody. They know they wash them hand under running water. Toto me sani. Be me sani. What unnecessary thing be this? My guy, that be why God make you people just left there. We got the bless Wale. If what are they talk, you know they like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. Shatta Wale blood in my DNA. Daddy, I love you. Daddy, God bless you. Now these people go. Blessing they come. As these people go, we dey work. Wale they show we say, hey, patience. Patience is not just about waiting. This might get my power. Patience is not just about waiting. It's about the attitude you keep up while you are waiting. That is what is patience. Nobody say, one day these people they make a vex. So I swear that they make a vex. But I still say one day, God, may God continue to give you that heart. See all these good things you do give me. What we go feel do? Just show you loyalty and listen. Let's do this together. Let's hold hands. As we do this thing, we can't get some misunderstanding and things, or then okay, now one don't say, make we just have time. Make we go. Make we go think. Abi we say we want to release music, we want to do this. No problem. Make we go think. As we go, we think, we come back. Boss who himself call we. Say, what's up? As he say now, it be like you people, we make ready. So come and let's do this together. And we came back again. We the militants, so-called militants. As we come back again, people they say no. Why they know they release the music? They know they release the music because you shan't. You shan't. We still the learn. Let's listen to the man. The roadway we they pass on. He passed there already because of the love he has for we. He say, come, I'll show you the shortcut. Don't pick Uber self. I want to get one day bad charge, you know. It be like I give them the storm energy sound, so they won't poo. The phone self I dash and one don't thank you. The phone, you know, you plenty, but we know they take chop the slave queens. As these people we do where we come back, instead of you to be wise and smart and have patience, you put this say, yeah, why? And they know they release the music. Why they fanfu for fanfu? Me, I know they take those kind of nonsense. I know they like if I go forward, somebody won't pull me back. Somebody won't pull me back. It's crazy. Like how? It's stupid. Why? Me too, I don't want chop. I want chop some, but I want chop I'm clean. I don't be dirty guys. From a long time I do some clean ass, but they never understand. They never understand. Where I say don't complain. Why are you complaining? Or you want me to show you my lead? By the lead. Huh? We go enjoy some music, make a, don't worry, plenty vibe day. We go vibe. And on. Why? And on this one that I do for you. You know say we will chop money. I mean yeah. I'm on the storm man food. From you see a snitch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Party tonight. We not watch man thing. We not in a them thing. When them see we pan, I show them a more, yeah. Me give them a 2, 3, them a 4, yeah. Tell them scream out, oh, yeah. Captain, you got me still one more, yeah. Kofi Abba still got the money, yo. Kofi boat, no they worry, yo. Salty, PPG, we there for the street, we know they roll easy, yeah. From me see a snitch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Party tonight, we not watch man thing. Me cool in a them thing. When them see we pan, I show them a more, yeah. Me give them a 2, 3, them a 4, yeah. Me make the girl them scream out, oh, yeah. Captain, you bad, me still one more, yeah. You see them on a shot. When me pull up in a Benz, show them on a eagle. All of them a ball a bed. Every street nigga, you know, still a give me respect. Bad mind them can break my defense. If I feed them money, them know where they're there. Like a rapture me a come, boy repent. Negativity they no say we not go there. Who they listen? Me and the pretty girl a flex and bounce. Dirty we are X them out. We are running out. Me na feda we are charity mode. From you see a snitch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Go talk. A friend and I saw me. Negativity we are X them out. We are X them out because we not know negative life. I'm a swear make a Then, that's all these things happen. Then Japan people, what you did there? You want to do like say you are mature, so you no go talk the matter. You know be say you are mature, the thing be say your matter no dey inside. Okay, let's see. Now, as I dey record like this, if you see the EP where they come, one done big man thing, they don't know. We are just testing the waters. They don't know. God won't make all these fucking people go, so say the blessing go come plenty. Call me selfish, me not give a fuck. And if you had something to say about me, or any negative thing you have to say about me, or you have to say about me now, why didn't you say it then? Because you are fake. All the fucking shit and things you people they go talk from my back. The story is there, but man keep it in him heart because me not have time for that. I'm money me I search for. That be what I learned from Wando. The thing be patience. See why people know they release music because we know reach their head. You think say if something they come from SM, if it will be whack. These are the things some people don't know. They come into SM and they opportunists. But shit, your mother take you go London before? Which of your friends take you go London before? Which of your friends make you do music like taking over where everybody they hear you? And come and go and like you're liar, you're fake. Brother, you are fake. Lasso. They no be star, then be lasso. You be wondering you talk. Me to have been picking, make Kirby. You know nothing about loyalty. You know nothing about loyalty. Sometimes if me and no one come they talk me because I just say I say me call bank no. I say me call bank no. I say me call Pekakra. A clean money. Even though you dey chop any money, but a clean money. One clean money in the head there. And also a chair. And it's me who or a virgin. She's very fertile. So that morning, it's me woo. Which of your friends, like you go fit sing taking over a long time, man. Which of your friends, those you, then you people go they tell somebody from America, what, say what, the person they America, like the person be real gangster, all these people, they don't go America, Bone, Blade, everywhere they run. Bob Skinny self, you don't go America. You know why? Because they are not man enough to make it here. They don't get the heart. You people go there, they go, they wash dishes and things. Me, that no be the kind of last time I want to leave. You people go there, then go share that, born with somebody, so say they will give you papers. So, Mube di trainers muhumba. Spems no boy ba, you soon. If you be gangster, stay Ghana. If you be gangster, stay Ghana, make am. But I think say one don't travel before you make am. It's because of your enviness. Catch on. One shout. A pedal star. One shout. One produce good sound, good music. What are you talking about? As if we, Allah God, you create some people, but thank you. They make us stronger. They make us stronger. Which of the artists for Ghana go feel say, hey, my picking come? You see this song, take come like this. He go even right give you. So say the world. So see the world go know say, oh, my son is good. You are the self, what you know? You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. One don't teach we come know. John Servi, unim then. 13 years. You never feel learn anything. Naturally, there you grow, you did there. You don't know what to do, you just did there. Waka. You people no go fit show me anything. And you people go fit go, they tell who, what be name, always or what. Always, what you know. You can't tell me, say, you know, hear the song way, I know hear the song way. He hear the baby, ke onye, to flame me. If Blade them and this thing, they tell you things, they tell you things for the. Any shit way they do, they talk, they to them do some. For a long time, you no go talk. If it today, you go talk. If it today, you go talk. And then we are fake pound. I feel pity for you. Where bread, where bread. You think say one done the vex we the militants. Then you people go they put for your heart inside. One done there. Hey Cappy, you know see, you be like one done. You know what make we release the song. You go record the song. You go leave on for there. Then me too, I did there. These people, at the 7 until they started watch me somewhere since this Foresight TV people do some show. They go perform, they say me to make a cam. And they say, no. As them go, you don't see the hour them go do for them. You don't see the hour them go do for them. Like the DJ no save people put thunder fire. Hey. And here is you. Shatta Sabali. And while we came, we could ease up. But see, sometimes if we stay mute, our empire, what are we trying to show the world? What dance I had before you dance abroad? If you can't be real in a camp like this, then if you go out and kwasa Samson now here. Jimmy Sam, I'm on him sheen, so that be what they pay me. People they release songs, see where they, you know they anywhere. Why? Because sometimes, even at least if you want to go or something, sometimes if the king self no bless you, with the blessing self, you no go get. Yeah, they advise you people, it's high time you people wise up. I swear it's high time, because if it be music self, you people, you no go fit me. You know be me they show you people some one or two settings. Where if I show you self where you go play, give one down, you no go fit even tell one down say, oh Captain self, he helped me with this one. But then one don't go see say me to the tribe, but they keep quiet every day. I know they talk. I they say do your thing. Cause share John 77 front page, you know be me. God. I be with thee. I just say one bad way you go do that. You know my there. Appreciation. But me I know they need them. I need blessings from God and one don. Because one don is the realest. Like you know while you go feed do future picture make it make nice. Like they take sword, put your truth inside. Baby Sunny. I they talk my mind because I've grown to a certain point where I know they give a fuck. Like I know they care anymore. The only thing I care about is this our Shatta movement and one door. Because it will be too late to cry when the head is gone. We are leaving this legacy. One dawn, one son. Me be that. Me be that. All of you people, you just come. God, they show we. Because they come meet people. You know, yesterday, Jay-Z said they call me, but my phone did not busy. They say, make it relax, make it ease. And my car. Upa GD, Upa engine D. You ever see? And the thing be say, you people, you don't know me. From Blade to whatever and whatever. And to Adi, Natalie, Joint, and Bone, Stone, Good Over Evil, Pope Skinny. All of them, they don't know me. Lebanese Mafia. I crazy. Me, I don't get this kind PhD, pull him down kind lifestyle like you people get. Somebody like Pope Skinny. We be brothers, we dey camp inside. Then you dey camp travel. But because of your black mentality, you know, go tell anybody. They go see then you dey America because you think say if you tell somebody go pull you down. Hey, that means you dey think evil about us. I started reading people, I see say you people are fake. Then somebody go come my there. Bone go come my there, can't tell me, me, I go leave SM. Who call you for SM? You think say we need you for SM? If be in you go, no. That day, you know, be cry, you they cry. Then people are watching too, so say they will go and talk. Me self, I won't make you go talk. You see my name? Head there. Captain. Bonaminti. One don, one son. I mean that. And another daughter. We have a daughter. Can you big up to you? You see? Like, as the ESF say, at the end, Natty them enjoy the ESF, one done they come sign Kanye, they pain them because they know one brother man go high. One brother man go high. Are you crazy? Why are you so evil? Then people come and say one done is evil. You don't know evil. But you don't know, it takes one to know one. We are evil in here. Now you go physically say, this one they do like this. I talk my mind. How many times I come live? I know they come live just like that. Yeah, I did like the father. I dream a day. It not be my head where they pay me. It not be my head. Injemo. My head inside, my brain, it do me some way. So me I craze. One done. Respect to you. I see you are watching. Thank you. May God bless you for everything you have done for me and those fakers and those stupid people. I know say God go punish them. You see Karma know they left anybody. Karma, I know they left. See my song, me and Wando, Kimberly. You know where he did? If you not be Wando, they know you for Jamaica. Like Google self no know you. Like if we dey search you and we for type fakeness, your picture go come. If I type fakeness, you go see how the self in picture go come. If I type stupidity, you go see Natalie in picture go come. If I type Kwasi Asem, you go see Blade in picture go come. If I type negativity, you go see Bone in picture go come. Jimmy son, you think say me I dey fear you people or one or two? You people go feel go tell people, go tell them. Ni na freda na them. Me never afraid of 1,000 of them. How me could I be afraid of one of them? Then people I need to go can they speak some patois. If you know be Wale Anka, 4 likes you they get for Facebook. So then you go make always they come, they talk, say, they know you, the time you dey mamobi, they lie. And done. Karma is a bitch, thank you. They know you the time they know you, why they don't make you record taking over? Always go tell Blade, say me, I no beg him, make he come sign me. I no beg him, make he come sign me. I dey my one corner from my ghetto, you know say me I be street boy, he fear me. Himself. He come, he say he won't sign me. And he came with the intention that, oh, he go take me, go Wale in there, make I no worry. Not knowing, he lied to me, he and Wale get problem. Assam say I beg him. Assam. Say me, I beg him before he can't sign me. He know say he dey lie. I know the way to make my mother build a house, make her go to stay inside. You know where I dey? Me not like to brag. Plenty hideouts with day, apartments, houses, estate self, I won't build. I start. Just say right now we the party, so the cement now. I'm just joking. Godfather, big up on himself, you know. Yes, one don is so smart that he will make the whole world make you people say this person be fake. See, I be the party day. You see say while they comment on your picture and things, yeah. Because one door his heart is clean. But if you come with dirty levity, God will punish you. We have a whole lot of godfathers. Big up Abbas Giwa, Serki, respect, okay? Serki, Shatter Movement, we love you. But your pikins, they joke. Your pikins, they play. Wonder, thank you. Just remind me. As them they claim talk. Me, we go fit do one without SM. We, every morning, you people, they text Wally. I'm sorry. You people come, they beg. Why you go beg? Tell your people say you they beg. I mean, you say you go feed. Tell the people, say you go fit. You go fit. What is that? Who's what born from me live video? What is? I'm not saying one door, Kwasha. One done. Sometimes you people do the disgrace with you. Asha, you ever come live self get 1.3k? No be 200 people they watch you. Those people self will be ghost pages. This whiskey you go fit. You know how much. You see what they talk. You want a picture. Believe. Unnecessary. Then people they come they beg. Then people they see me like me. I know be sell out. I don't know what they sell. If they sell me too, but even if I be sell out, you no go fee buy me. I'm too expensive. Hey, original son of the one done. Hey, me boy ding. Oh, me boy ding. I'm telling you, I'm not joking about it. I'm not joking about it at all. Me boy ding. I'm expensive. I lock my car. See my car. I dey inside. I dey chill. I get fuel, so I dey on my AC. Why? I know they learn from Wally. I dey learn from him. All everything. Nobody is perfect, but me, I dey learn the positive and the negative all. Because you people put him in the debt too much, and me, I'm not ready for you people to put me in that kind of debt. I have to be smart, and he's my father. He will not make a pass the wrong way. Why? Like I go do him body. If people say I go talk something, like I go tell Wally say, you pray. Like Wally go vex. Like I tell Wally say, oh, you pray. Or you go give the mosque 50 cedis. Like he go vex. Come talk what you do. Negative vibe. Then people go they call me. You sure say one don't know the fanfooey. All those talks I take them. Where they read you people. And they enter you people see but true, you people self, my matter self, you know they like. You just want to use me, get what you want.